So my question to God after yesterday's YouTube about walls being torn down by grief and other things was, okay, how do you rebuild the wall? And it's been kind of a process of him bringing things to my mind. One of the things that came to me is something that Arthur talked about in the seminar I was at in the first part of February. And it's not new material, but it kind of really drilled down further inside of me. And he was talking about intimacy with God as being the foundation of you having authority. And of course we know that's true. You've got to hear from God. When you hear from God, then you have the authority to do it. But he took it a step further. He said, and when you have the authority to do it and you do it, that's the power. And I was like, wow, yeah, okay. And I've been letting that just seep deeper into me, because when the Jews returned to Jerusalem and started rebuilding the wall, the interesting thing was they just did their piece. They did the part that was theirs, where their family home was part of the wall, and each one had their section. And as they worked on their section, each one, they found that they would come up to the next person's place where the person has built theirs. So I think there's a real revelation in that, is that we just need to do only what God is telling us to do. And in that intimacy, that drilling down and finding out only exactly what he wants you to do gives you authority, and then it gives you power. And you'll find yourself coming next to people who have also worked on intimacy, authority, and power, and you're going to be connected with them, and that's going to form the wall, the protection of the body of Christ.